Hi, today I'm with my lovely Taehyung. It's such a lovely morning to be with you, sayang. And what we're going to do today? What? Make a cup of coffee? Anything for you, baby. But let me go to kitchen. Ooh, look at this apron! Hi Clubbers! Welcome to the second episode of We Know Coffee by Bali Coffee Club with me, Renji, as your host today in this beautifully designed kitchen at BTS Villa. So yeah, as requested by my lovely Taehyung, he wanted me to make a cup of coffee for him. But you know guys, I don't have any idea how to make a great coffee at home. So yeah, today I've invited our coffee roaster from Bali Coffee Club to teach us how to make a great coffee at home. So without any further ado, let's welcome our coffee roaster, Mas Faris.
Hello Rengi.
Hi Mas Faris.
Hello Clubbers.
Hey Clubbers, nice to meet you again. How was the road just now?
So we are in the middle of Canggu, kind of busy, but a lot of things to do in this area.
Yeah, I agree with you. Just now, I mean like yesterday, I went to Batu Bolong Beach and it's super crowded, but I really love because this villa is so close to the beach and I love this place so much. And yeah, anyway, you know, just now, Taehyung, my lovely boyfriend, you know him, right?
Yeah.
He wanted me to make a cup of coffee, but Clubbers, you know guys, I don't have any idea how to make a great coffee at home. I just know how to pour black coffee and then add sugar and then hot water without. Yeah, I think it's bitter.
You have no idea.
Yeah, I don't have any idea about it. So yeah, we want to make a great coffee at home now for my lovely Taehyung.
So let's make a coffee.
Let's make a coffee! Alright, Mas Faris, so what kind of coffee that we're going to make for my lovely Taehyung today?
Okay, so today we are making this Bali Kintamani coffee from Bali Coffee Club. Was processed. This coffee we take it directly from our local partner.
Wow, from Kintamani.
From Kintamani,
wow,
directly to Denpasar.
Yeah, I just saw your Instagram. So yeah, so maybe without any further ado, let's make a coffee. What is the first step that we need to do for make a coffee?
Okay, so first step is we will measure out the coffee. So we take 20 grams of coffee.
20 grams.
Yeah, 20 grams.
Anyway, speaking of the farm that you mentioned before, the Kintamani, I just saw your Instagram yesterday. I mean, not yesterday. It's a couple weeks ago that you mentioned you were in the Kintamani. So is that you went there?
Yeah, I went there.
So it's you take this coffee from there?
We take this coffee from directly from the farmer.
Wow. Anyway, speaking of the farmer, do you have any like program?
So Bali Coffee Club has several programs, including a sustainable coffee program. So we achieve to give customer directly good coffee from farmer to customer.
Oh, that's a great program.
Yeah.
So it's ongoing now. So yeah, it's already 20 grams
20 grams.
now.
Maybe Rengi can help me to grind the coffee.
Okay. Now, so this is the next step is
just
grinding.
Grind it.
Sorry guys.
Start the grinder.
Wow. Yeah. Even I miss out this.
Yeah.
Okay, it's already grind. It's already like small particle.
Yeah, it's like medium coarse particle, like sugar.
Wow, sugar daddy.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
So,
it's like sugar, guys. It's the particle is like sugar from the bean.
So then we add the hot water. The water is about 94 to 96 degrees of Celsius.
Okay. 94 to 96. 96.
Yeah.
Why should it 94 or 96?
So hot water in certain temperature help to coffee extract more better.
Oh, okay. set. Okay.
So we
now
add
we pour
300 grams of water.
300 grams. So just now it's 20 grams of coffee and then 300 of hot water.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we start the timer. Then we'll wait about 2 minutes. Let the coffee steep and extract by itself.
Okay, speaking of the, while we are waiting for 2 minutes, speaking of the method, brewing method, from, if I'm not mistaken, there is a lot of brewing method. So could you tell us what kind of method and then what is the differences?
So there are 3 common methods of brewing coffee. The first one is the immersion, like we did.
Okay.
When the coffee meets hot water directly in certain time. And then the second method is pour over.
Pour over. And then this also pour over. Okay.
This time we combine the immersion with pour over.
Wow, it's a combination.
It's a combination.
Method.
And the third one is pressure.
Pressure is we're using the press.
Where the coffee meets water, boiling pressure. It's like steam.
Oh, it's steam. Okay. All right, so it's already 2 minutes.
It's already 1 minute. 1 minute more.
Okay.
While we waiting, help me with the filter.
With the filter. Okay. We have. How do you call it?
It's called a pepper filter.
Pepper filter. Okay. So you said before this one is immersion.
Immersion
with pour
over. Yeah.
So how many?
It's easy to do for all home brewers.
So speaking of this, why should, when we pour the hot water, why should we doing like this?
It's a common technique for pour over, but we make it simple. Just one pour to pour over, while the coffee already extract at immersion method.
I think that this, when the hot water is come to, you pour it here, the coffee is like up.
Yeah. So
it's like boom.
It's already 2 minutes.
It's already
2 minutes.
Like
yeah.
Okay. Next.
Can help you. It's kind of
hot.
Hot. So
okay.
We're starting.
We don't have any. Maybe we can. Okay, maybe we can do like this. Maybe.
So we start the pour to V60 to filter the coffee ground, and then we only get the coffee.
Okay. So this process is called
pour
over.
Yeah.
Speaking of the equipment itself, so what are the equipment that we have to have when we want to make a cup of coffee at home? Because normally I just saw the equipment for make a coffee is quite expensive, yeah.
And a lot of
type coffee. I think different type of coffee will have different type of equipment as well.
So for pour over method, there's 2 common thing we need. It's the pour over device such as Hario V60 and the kettle to pour the water.
This is called Hario V60 and then the kettle.
So it's called pour over because we pour the water over the dripper. It's simple.
The name is simple as well.
Yeah. So our coffee is ready.
Okay. Now what step? How do you call it?
Give it a little swirl to evaluate the aroma.
Oh. Can I
think you can try?
So it's done.
It's done.
Oh,
it's simple.
So simple.
So simple.
Okay.
Everyone can make a good coffee at home.
Is there any technique for pouring the coffee itself? This coffee?
If we're using the kettle, we need certain technique. But with this immersion and pour over technique, everyone can do it.
Okay, so I can pour whatever I want.
Yeah, even Reggie can make a good coffee with one step.
Wow, it's so easy, guys.
So easy.
I think it's so. Okay, let me. want to make balance, guys. Wow.
Okay.
So it's done.
It's done.
Wow.
You can smell the fresh coffee aroma.
So fresh. Speaking of Bali Coffee Club, so you call it, you mentioned before that this using BCC beans.
Yeah.
So what makes BCC bean different than the others?
So we roast it with modern approach. So we are using computerized machine and some software for coffee geeks. So the difference is on Indonesia, commonly we roast traditionally, but in BCC we use modern technique.
Oh, so that's make our coffee is different.
It's,
because
yeah.
of the method we're using the modern technique,
Yeah.
while the other is like traditional.
Traditional.
Can we try?
Yeah, let's
Cheers.
try it. Cheers. So to
I like
aim
it.
to aim a good coffee, the coffee has a good aroma, good acidity, decent sweetness, and no bitterness at all.
Oh yeah. I tried this one. It's like there's no bitterness.
Yeah.
I feel like this is more like orange.
Orange, yeah,
Yeah, orange,
lemon,
lemon.
and like a tea.
Yeah, it's like a tea. Even the color is like tea.
Yeah.
I like it. I wish my Taehyung like it as well. Well, that's great. So the ideal of the taste, do you have any explanation about the ideal taste?
Okay, and the taste of coffee is it has a balanced acidity.
Balanced acidity,
Yeah,
as you mentioned.
As you mentioned, and good sweetness, and with a long aftertaste.
Oh, how do you mean about a long aftertaste?
So, like when we chewing on a sweet dessert, so it lasts longer in my mouth.
Oh, so when we drink it, it has a long
Sensation.
when
Yeah.
it's like in Indonesia we say terngiang-ngiang.
Ngiang-ngiang. It stick on your tongue.
Yeah, we cannot move on with
Yeah.
this. I wish my Tay like this. So
it's a simple step to make coffee at home.
yeah, it's very simple. I
Yeah.
thought like my mind is like, oh, I want to make a coffee, but I don't know how to make it. But now I think it's really simple and everyone can make it at home.
Yeah.
Right, clubbers? So yeah, it's really interesting topic today. I know now I learned how to
Grind coffee.
grind coffee. Even I don't know how to.
Yeah, it's a first step to
First
know
step
coffee.
to know coffee, and then I know this. We have different method as well. The kettle, the equipment, and etc. I love it so much. Thank you
Okay,
so much
Rengi.
for this insight, Pak Paris.
Thank you
It's
for
such
your
a
time,
pleasure.
Rengi and clubbers.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Now I want to bring this coffee to my Tay lovely. My lovely Taehyung, I've made a coffee for us. And it's super tasty. I love it. The steps is so simple. Just now I've learned how to make a great coffee at home, and it's super nice, it's super simple, and it's easy to make coffee at home. So for clubbers, don't forget to make coffee at home. And now let me enjoy my time with my Taehyung. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.